If you've been wondering which help desk software reigns supreme, LiveAgent versus Freshdesk might be on your radar. Both are popular tools that aim to streamline customer support, but which one truly comes out on top? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of what each offers and whether there's a better alternative that could help you meet your goals. Stay tuned because I've got a recommendation you don't want to miss. Let's dive into the core features of both platforms. First up, LiveAgent provides a highly intuitive user interface that's designed for ease of use right out of the box. You get features like live chat, ticketing, email support, and even call center functionality. But while it does offer a lot of tools for support teams, it doesn't have the same depth of integrations as some of its competitors. That's something to think about if you rely heavily on other business tools. Next thing, Freshdesk brings a lot to the table, too, with its standout multi-channel support. Not only does it offer email and chat support, but you also get social media ticketing and even phone support. The interface is clean, making it easy for teams to jump in and get to work quickly. But here's the downside. While Freshdesk has many features, its reporting tools can be a bit clunky, and you might find yourself doing a lot of workarounds to get the reports you want. Now, let's talk about pricing. Both LiveAgent and Freshdesk offer competitive pricing plans. LiveAgent has a free plan for small teams, which is great if you're just starting out. However, if you want advanced features, you'll have to look at their paid plans, which can get pretty pricey for teams of any substantial size. Freshdesk is also affordable, but tends to offer more value at the entry level. You'll get a lot more features at a lower starting price with Freshdesk, but those premium features that you might want later on can still cost you a good chunk of change. Moving on to scalability, both platforms are pretty solid here. LiveAgent scales well with growing teams, but you might run into a few limitations with customization options as your business expands. Freshdesk, on the other hand, is known for its flexibility and customization features, allowing you to tailor it as your business needs evolve. However, some of the more advanced features can be difficult to use if you're not a technical expert. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. Ironically, with both platforms being help desk software, the support you get for using the software itself is critical. LiveAgent has strong customer service options, including 24/7 support through chat and email. Freshdesk also offers 24/7 support, but you'll find that their response times can sometimes be slower compared to LiveAgent's quicker turnaround. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room. Is there a better alternative? After using both LiveAgent and Freshdesk extensively, I've found a better option that takes all the strengths of these platforms and combines them with more powerful reporting tools and a more user-friendly experience. If you're serious about finding the best help desk software, I recommend checking out the free trial of the platform linked in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits through our link that you won't find anywhere else, and this software will help you achieve the best results for your business. So, while LiveAgent and Freshdesk are both solid options, there's something even better out there waiting for you. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive offer linked below and start your free trial today.